In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to read scanned documents in C# OCR. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract text from scanned documents using the IronOCR library in C#. So let's get started. First, open the NuGet package manager and search for IronOCR by Iron Software. That's the one we need. I've already installed it in this project. Now open your program.cs file, and at the top include the necessary namespaces that we'll be using. We're using IronOCR and system. Also make sure that you add your license key. I've marked the region for it here. This step is important to unlock full functionality, of course. So let's set up the OCR engine. We'll create a new instance of IronTesseract. So this is the main OCR class provided by IronOCR, and it's capable of recognizing printed and handwritten text from various image formats. We also create an OCR input object, which acts as a container for the image that we want to scan. In this example, we load a TIFF file from the disk. Next, we use OCR.readDocumentInput, and this method processes the scanned image and performs OCR on it. It returns an OCR result object, which contains the recognized text, along with details like confidence scores and page structure. Then we call console.writeLine result text, and this prints the extracted plain text to the console. The text property of OCR result holds all the readable content that IronOCR detected from that image. Before we run the OCR, let's take a quick look at the image that we're going to be using. This is a scanned image from a book. It contains printed text, and we'll be using our IronOCR to extract all the readable content from within it. All right, so let's run the application, and we'll give it a second to do its magic. And here's the result. The text from the scanned document is extracted successfully and printed to the console. So it works even with lower quality or older scans. That's how you read scanned documents in C# using IronOCR. It's really a great tool for text extraction, digitizing paper records, or building document automation pipelines. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronOCR, go ahead and sign up. There's a trial on our site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.